Hello everyone, if you are planning to buy a property in Houston, Texas, then this video is for you. Today we will analyze the top 8 excellent houses that are on the market right now. I will show you options in different price categories, from compact budget properties to spacious family homes. For each option, we will analyze in detail the layout, advantages, exact prices, fees, and annual taxes. Let's get started. 5 bedrooms, over 2,000 square feet, and your own sauna in the backyard. Sounds like luxury real estate, but we're in Houston, and the price here will surprise you. We're looking at a house on Marne Ln. From the outside, the house looks solid. Brick, stone, a well-maintained lawn, and a large lot. Before we go in, let's run through the numbers. Here it's 2,616 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath. We go inside. Right away, we see a formal living room and dining area. On the floor, new laminate, fresh walls. We go further and enter the family room with a real fireplace. Great detail. In Texas, winters may be short, but they're humid, and the fireplace really saves the evenings. The kitchen is a dream for those who love to cook. Quartz countertops, which means no stains from wine or coffee left behind. A built-in double oven and a gas cooktop. Now to the bedrooms. There are 5 of them. The main feature of this layout, the master bedroom, is located on the first floor. If you live with elderly parents or just don't want to go up the stairs every time, this is a huge plus. On the second floor, 4 more rooms await you. There's enough space for a large family, but get ready. The washer will be running in 3 shifts. Luckily, there's a dedicated laundry area here too. We go out to the backyard. There's plenty of space here, all fenced in. But the main feature is your own sauna right out in the open air. Yes, in Texas, it's already hot outside, but having your own bathhouse after a workday is a whole other level of relaxation. Now the most interesting part, the money. The price of this mini mansion is $285,000. The HOA fee here is symbolic, just $50 a year, and property tax will be about $5,811 a year, which is roughly $480 a month. For a house of this square footage, the tax is simply ridiculous. A huge house for ridiculous money with bonuses like a sauna. How do you like this option? Would you ever take a sauna in Texas heat? Located just minutes from HCA, Houston Healthcare Northwest, top quality medical facilities and emergency services are right down the road. Nature lovers will enjoy Mercer Botanic Gardens nearby, offering beautiful walking trails and stunning plant displays for quiet weekend retreats. And whenever you need shopping, dining, or entertainment, Willowbrook Mall is a short drive away, keeping all your lifestyle needs effortlessly close to home. Now let me show you another really interesting spot. We're in the Wood Glen area at 9822 Thorn St. This is in East Houston. A quiet, laid-back neighborhood where you can truly unwind after a long day, yet you're still just 15 to 20 minutes from downtown. The house itself isn't huge, about 1,064 square feet. But inside, it's been given a stunning deep renovation where every single detail has been thoughtfully considered. Walk in, and you immediately feel the quality. The floors are light engineered hardwood, and the walls feature natural wood accents, baseboards, stylish wall panels, and elegant crown molding. Everything is done in warm, inviting tones, so the space feels much larger than it looks on paper. The kitchen is a real treat. It's been completely rebuilt with brand new white cabinetry, granite countertops, a modern convection oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Everything is new and gleaming. Just move in and start cooking. No need to buy or fix a thing. The layout offers 3 bright bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, which has also been fully renovated from top to bottom, and the lot itself deserves special attention. Folks, this yard is truly spacious, nearly 7,000 square feet of land. It's fully fenced and comes with some great bonuses, a cool treehouse for the kids, and a large separate shed for tools or extra storage. There's plenty of room for a big grill and an outdoor lounging area. On top of that, the roof is brand new, and the exterior siding has been completely updated too. Now for the numbers, everything is very reasonable here. This fully renovated home is priced at $214,900. Property taxes come to about $380 per year, That's roughly $280 a month, and there are no HOA fees at all. The bottom line? This is a fantastic, well-maintained home on a large lot, all at a very fair price. Welcome to 9822 Thorn Street, a wonderful location to call home. Enjoy quiet afternoons with your family at nearby Scenic Woods Park, perfect for outdoor relaxation. Having Houston Fire Station 43 located close by brings an added layer of comfort and quick response times. Plus, quick grocery runs are effortless with Fiesta Mart just minutes away on Mesa Drive. 4,200 square feet, that's luxury. We're looking at a brick house on Bathurst Drive. We go inside. In terms of square footage, it's 1,340 feet. The layout is classic for a single story, 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. I'll tell you right away about the interior. Inside, you're greeted by good, solid renovation without unnecessary or designer frills. An open living room. On the floor lies high-quality laminate that looks like wood. If you have dogs or small children, you'll appreciate it. Vinyl flooring will last for years, and you won't see any dents from claws. There's plenty of light, large windows, neutral wall finishes. You can move in with any furniture, and you won't have to repaint anything. Moving on. The kitchen and dining area. Cabinets are wooden, countertops are granite. The stainless steel kitchen appliances are standard for America, but here they're in excellent condition, without scratches. Now to the bedrooms. There are 3 of them, and they're spaced out along the hallway. The master bedroom is set off to the side of the house, with its own separate bathroom. This gives privacy if you have children or guests. The other 2 rooms are standard size. They can easily fit a queen-sized bed and a desk. The second bathroom is in a modern minimalist style. Without excess, we go out to the backyard. It's fenced, as required by Texas laws. There's a lot of lawn here. There's enough space for both a swing set and a grill, and kids have room to run around. The only thing, you'll have to water the grass regularly. In Texas summer, it dries out fast. And the sweetest part, the financial math. The price of the house is $201,500. The main selling point of this property. HOA fees are completely absent here. That is, $0 a year. Property tax will be about $3,633 a year. That's somewhere around $300 a month. The bottom line, a brick house with 3 bedrooms with no mandatory monthly payments for the neighborhood. How do you like this option? Let's check out what's around 1519 Bathurst Drive. For medical care, the El Franco Lee Health Center is nearby, ensuring quality health care is always within reach for your family. Just minutes away, the Vinson Neighborhood Library offers a great community space, learning resources and activities for all ages. And when it's time for grocery runs, a local H-E-B is a quick drive away, making stock-ups effortless and everyday living convenient. Let's check out a 2-story house in Houston outside. Classic Texas, brick siding, level lawn, 2-car garage. Specs, 1,799 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, step inside. High ceilings, quality laminate, plenty of light. Kitchen with granite countertops, appliances already in. And that separate windowless room next to it? Perfect home office. Heading upstairs. 2-story ceiling gives you tons of air, but rooms near the staircase might get noisy. Entire upper floor is carpeted, a downside if you've got shedding pets. Primary bedroom is spacious, king-size bed fits easy. Bathroom with dual sinks, deep tub, and separate shower. Additional bedrooms and a second full bathroom. Backyard is fenced, big lawn, room for a grill, but you'll be mowing it. Now the price, $219,950. HOA dues are laughable, $319 a year. But the tax bites, $350 a year, about $530 a month. Don't forget though, no state income tax in Texas, so it partially evens out move-in ready. What do you think for that price? Drop a comment. Now, let's take a look at what's around 6406 Lost Pines Bend. Just a few minutes from the home is Tice Elementary School. For families with children, having a neighborhood school this close makes the daily routine simple, convenient, and stress-free. Only a short drive away, you'll find North Shore Park. With open green spaces, playgrounds, and sports facilities, it's the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors or spend quality time with family. And nearby, Sheldon Lake State Park offers scenic wetlands, walking trails, wildlife viewing, and a peaceful escape into nature, just a short drive from home. What to buy in Houston if your budget is just over $200,000? We're looking at a house on Benchmark Drive. The house is single-story, and it's often considered as an investment for rental. But let's go inside and check if you can live here yourself. Outside, everything is standard. A neat facade, a driveway, and a two-car garage. Before we go in, let's run through the numbers real quick. It's 1,022 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. For a big family, it would be tight, but for a couple or a student, it's just right. We go inside. We're greeted by an open living room. On the floor, quality vinyl plank flooring that looks like wood, which is practical. If you spill something, it cleans up easily. There's a ceiling fan and a real fireplace here. The walls are light, there's a lot of light, and the space feels larger than it actually is. The living room flows smoothly into the kitchen. Appliances are already in place. A gas stove, a dishwasher. The countertops are decent, and there's enough cabinet space for basic needs. Further down the hallway, 2 isolated bedrooms. Both have good lighting and spacious closets. There's only 1 bathroom, but the plumbing is fresh. There's also a separate area for a washing machine and dryer. You won't have to stuff them into a closet. We go out to the backyard. It's fully fenced. There's not a whole lot of space here, but it's enough for a barbecue or a dog. The lawn will need mowing. That's standard for Texas. Now the most important part, the money. Price, $205,000. The main plus, there are absolutely no HOA fees here, so zero. And the property tax is low by local standards, about $3,881 a year. That's roughly $250 a month. In the end, we get a move-in ready house with no neighborhood association fees. What do you think of this option for $205,000? Now, let's take a look at where 16715 Benchmark Drive is located. Just around the corner is Allen Aldridge Jr. Elementary School, making the morning school run quick and convenient for families with children. A few feet from the home, South Post Oak Sportsplex offers sports fields, walking areas, and plenty of space to stay active or enjoy the outdoors on the weekends. And when it's time to shop or grab a meal, Pearland Town Center is just a short drive away, featuring a wide selection of stores, restaurants, cafes, and everything you need for everyday living. We're at 5D923 Heatherbrook Drive in the Windsor Village neighborhood. From the outside, it's a tidy 1-story home originally built in 1960. But inside, pretty much the only thing left from that era is the solid frame. Everything looks fresh and polished. A lush green lawn, a well-maintained driveway with space for 2 cars, and a generous, level lot of nearly 7,500 square feet. Step inside, and you're immediately welcomed into an open, sun-drenched space. The layout is incredibly well thought out, with about 1,480 square feet of living space. Throughout the home, there's durable, water-resistant laminate flooring in a warm wood tone, and the walls have been painted in fresh, neutral colors. It all makes the rooms feel truly deep, airy, and open. The kitchen has been completely rebuilt. New quartz countertops, a convenient breakfast bar, and sleek, minimalist cabinetry. As for appliances, it comes fully equipped with stainless steel, including a vent hood, built-in microwave, and gas range. Everything is brand new. Just move in and start cooking. The floor plan offers 3 bright bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The master suite features its own separate shower, while the guest bathroom has a classic deep soaking tub. All fixtures, tile, and lighting are completely fresh. And out back, a huge, fully fenced backyard. There's more than enough room for a large grill, a patio set, and plenty of outdoor lounge furniture. The price for this home is $239,900. As for ongoing costs, property taxes run around $3,900 $4,000 per year, roughly 330 manors, and HOA dues are just $40 per year. So for $239, you're getting a fully renovated, move-in ready home with over 400 square feet of living space and a huge private lot. No renovation headaches, no crazy fees. Just move in and start enjoying life. Let's check out what's nearby 5923 Heatherbrook Drive. For fitness and fun, Westbury Park and Community Center is right around the corner, featuring pool access and open fields. Sending packages is hassle-free with the U.S. Post Office on South Main Street, just a quick drive. And for daily essentials or quick pharmacy runs, Walgreens on Chimney Rock Road has you covered anytime. Looking for a compact home without overpaying for the neighborhood? Let's check out this property on Barnsley Ln. Outside, classic brick, and a huge plus. The roof is brand new, which is rare at this price point. Before we step inside, let's run the numbers. 1,013 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and 1 half bath. Let's go in. Bright living room, fresh finishes. The layout doesn't eat up the space. Updated kitchen, quartz countertops, brand new appliances, plenty of cabinets. Bedrooms are standard, but the split bathroom setup is practical. Guests don't need to walk through your personal bath. Outside, your own lawn and a separate storage shed for tools, so you're not cluttering up the garage. Now the money. Price, $217,900. HOA dues, $0 a year. Property tax, around $3,061 a year, roughly $250 a month. Knowledge starter home with no extra fees bleeding you dry. What do you think? Drop a comment, link in the description. Here is a look at the key amenities surrounding 1938 Barnsley Ln. First, reliable medical services for kids are available close by at Texas Children's Pediatrics. Second, Lincoln Park Pool offers convenient local facilities for recreation and swimming. Finally, the nearby Carver High School for Applied Design adds great value for families prioritizing education. We're heading to 5602 Briarwood Forest Drive, and this is one of those rare move-in ready homes where you don't have to lift a finger. From the moment you step inside, the living room grabs you. Just look at those soaring vaulted ceilings with that gorgeous wooden beam. It makes the whole space feel wide open and airy. The floors are fresh light laminate, and at the center of the room, there's a cozy brick fireplace. You can already picture the perfect evenings spent here with family and friends. The kitchen is an absolute showstopper. Crisp white cabinetry, light countertops, and all the appliances you need. Right off the dining area, sliding glass doors lead straight out to the backyard. Super convenient for hosting barbecues with friends. The bedrooms are bright and inviting, and every room already has ceiling fans installed. The bathrooms have been fully updated too. All white, clean, and fresh. Just walk in and enjoy. And the backyard? It's a total gem. Large, green, and fully fenced. Plenty of room to play with. Whether you want to set up a playset for the kids or just lay out some lounge chairs to relax, it's all possible. With about 600 square feet of space, this fully renovated home is priced at $225,000. And the carrying costs are very reasonable. Annual property taxes come to around $4,900, about 410 moners, and HOA dues are just $26. For this condition and this location in Houston, it's honestly a fantastic deal. Take a look at what surrounds 5602 Briarwood Forest Drive. Golf enthusiasts are right near Inwood Forest, while students benefit from Lone Star College, Victory Center, being just around the corner. If you love outdoor views, the White Oak Bayou Greenway Trail provides miles of scenic paths for biking and running. Plus, having George Bush Intercontinental Airport only a short drive away makes travel and business trips smooth and hassle-free. Write in the comments which of the 8 houses seem to you the most successful. You will find all the details and contacts for recording for viewing in the description under the video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new reviews. And see you later.